How to hide my Snapchat score. If any day you are a Snapchat user and you would like to hide your Snapchat score but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device and tap on Snapchat like this. After you tap on Snapchat, Snapchat will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to your profile like icon on the top. Now, in order to hide your Snapchat score, there are two of the option. Number first is you can either go to the settings like option on the top, and then you can just scroll down and then go to the option of contact me. After you tap on contact me, now you have two of the option. Either you can tap on the friends or nextly friends and contacts. So if you tap on the option of friends, only your friends will be able to contact you and only they'll be able to see your Snapchat score. But if it's friends and contacts, even your contacts will also be able to contact you and see your Snapchat score. So this is only the way what you can do, because the other very method on hiding your Snapchat score to everyone has not been developed still in the very application of the Snapchat, and hope it will be developed in the future. So in that, what you can do is you can go to the Snapchat support and you can also send a message in order to hide this Snapchat score, and this way you would also be able to contribute for hiding the Snapchat score feature. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.